Hi, I'm Dr. Sucheta Sanjeev Chikkodi. I've done my MBBS from Kempegowda Institute of Medical Sciences, KIMS, Bangalore. I'm from Bangalore itself. KIMS was a easy option because one good thing is I'm from Bangalore, it's in the same place. Second, one different thing about KIMS is the college as well as the hospital is not in the same premise. It's about 3 kilometers away, but the hospital is very close to BMC, so there's good patient load, there's enough patient load, it's never like an overburden on you. It's good enough for you to learn and practice. The campus is about 3 kilometers away, which is in Banshankari, the college as such, not the hospital. So from hospital to college, there are hostel buses that run, but as a localite, you usually have to travel on your own. Infrastructure is quite good. The campuses are different, as I said. So if you combine them together, it's pretty big. If you see the college, it's there's a new building, there's an old building, there's good lab services, there's a plenty of amount of staff. The total intake is around 150, and it's a pretty, I wouldn't say that old, but it's also like a good institutionalized college. So KIMS is a very well known, plus it's also up to dated in college wise. Looking at the hospital, so the OPD and as well as the inpatient is completely different buildings. It's very good staff wise. Everyone's very helpful and nice, and there's no, that typical medical toxicity as such is not there. Everybody's very helpful, they guide you very well. The patient load pretty good. The lab services are also very good, and teaching is definitely good. There's equal amount of theory-based classes as well as practical hands-on experience which you get. It's equal and it's good. So one thing about KIMS is it's not that strict and rigid, and probably the word will be old school as compared to the other colleges. There are lots of culturals. There's lots of fests. They also have their own sports day. They also have a mock UN which is conducted. Like, you can only sit and conduct and help. So it's very good for you. There's a lot of internships which you can if you want to combine with any other hospital or anything, there's a lot of those information that will be given to you. If you're interested, there's a lot of scope and opportunities that are there. KIMS on a whole the learning was very good, and I would say what differentiates it from other colleges would be that it's not that burden or cumbersome to study as well as enjoy life. You can also enjoy life. It's I wouldn't say chill as such, but there's not that strict and rigid that you have to do this all the time. You can enjoy and learn at the same time, which is what I like the most about KIMS.